going on, y'all? I'm back again today with another quick review. Today we are going to set up my Mount Morris lights. These come in a 2-pack. These are outdoor lights. So what I'm going to go is explain what comes in the box as well as how to install these. These are pretty nice because you can change the lighting features on these, and again, they are outdoor lights. You can do them horizontal if you like, vertical if you like, or horizontal. Today we're going to mount these horizontal, but let's go ahead and dive right in. In the box, it's very simple. You get 2 of these in the box as well as an instruction manual. Not too much to it. However, to get these installed, you're going to take off 1 screw on each side of these, and your metal bracket is going to come right off. And then you're going to take off this screw here, and then the screw on the bottom, which is going to take off your mount bracket here. As you can see here, you have 3 wires. You have your power wire, left your neutral, of course, your power, and then your ground. So super simple to set up. Let me go ahead and show you what to do next. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to just mount our main bracket right onto the screws that you see here. Now that we have that mounted up next, it's pretty simple. You take white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. Go ahead and make sure you wire nut them completely up. And then you're going to go ahead and put the screws on the top and bottom to hold it in place. And just like that, we are all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. However, this is a video of you showing exactly how to install it. And like I said, the good part about it is you have different color modes. So as you can see, there's different hues. Definitely go ahead and check this out. This is a gorgeous piece, no brainer.